Now I know why I'm not a photographer. Okay, let's see here. This is the book. This is the book that shows how to use my real easy camera that the Asian guy that sold it to me at Fry's goes, "Sir, this is the easiest camera we have. You will have no trouble uploading your movies, even if you're not a professional camera maker. Movie maker, I mean." Yeah, okay, thanks. So right now, after I get done making this movie, I'm going to go over there and kick the kid's ass and make him come over here and show me how to do this. Okay? Bye-bye.